Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Clockify with Asana, okay? First up, go ahead and go to your Clockify account. And in here, when we check on workspace settings and integrations, we don't have Asana in here. We just have Jira, Google Calendar, and Outlook Calendar, okay? Other integrations right here will have the extensions. Now, what we're going to do to integrate the two? Well, we'll need to use a third-party software or website, which is Zapier, okay? Just go ahead and create your account. It's easy to do. And once you're in here, your dashboard, just go ahead and click on Create. Now click on Zaps, okay? Once done, just click on Create Zap right here. Now click on Trigger. And here you're going to want to look for, first up, the trigger would be Clockify, okay? Clockify. Wait for it to load and click on the first search result. And here, the trigger event, you have a ton of options right here. For example, new client, okay? And the account, just go and click on sign in. Wait for this pop up. And now go ahead and sign in with your Clockify account. Now it says here you can generate an API key and Clockify user preferences if you don't have one saved. So just go ahead and go to that. Go back to Clockify. Now click on your profile right here at the top. Go to Preferences. Okay. Now in these tabs, go ahead over to Advanced. Click on Generate API Key. Generate. Copy API. Bring back the pop-up right here. Paste the API. Now click on Yes. Continue to Clockify. Okay. Wait for it to load. Now go back to Zapier. And here, as you can see, we are now logged in. So just hit on Continue so we can begin configuring it. Workspace right here, choose a value, select the workspace, and go ahead and hit on Continue. Now test the trigger, okay? It says here, no client found. As you can see here, it's a new account. So just go ahead and skip the test. Close this one. Down here on Action, just click on it. Action would be Asana, okay? The search function, just type in Asana, wait for it, and click on Asana. Here to the right, set it up. Action or event, for example, a new client, right? Say, for example, create a project, okay? And the account right here, just click on sign in and sign in with your Asana account. Just click on allow if this is the account. If this is not, just click on not you, and it will ask you to sign in with the correct account. All right, just hit on allow, wait for it. All right, as you can see here, we are now logged in. So what we're going to do is just hit on continue to configure it. And a workspace right here, as you can see here on my Asana, I have two workspaces. All right, I'm just going to select the main one right here and the team, this one, and I'll click on the plus sign. Now let's go ahead and select maybe a new client right here. Okay, name client and the client ID and also the workspace ID. Notes, just like that, and hit on continue. Now go ahead and hit on test. Everything is okay. Now it says here a project was sent to Asana about 13 seconds ago. So what we're going to do is just check on Asana right here. As you can see, we have this new project. That means it is now well integrated. Okay. So just go ahead and hit on publish. Now it says publishing here and says your Zap is on and using version V1. So just go ahead and hit on run right here at the top right and just close this one and everything will be automated. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.